There's been a lot of incentive to move from a furnace system to a heat pump. One of them being efficiency. They're more efficient than the gas systems. You take a combustion appliance out of your home, so you're not producing the carbon monoxide that could potentially get into your home. And these things have become extremely efficient and work in all climate types. So the heat pumps are great systems. We have some high efficiency ones that qualify for the 30% tax credits out there. Another one is water heaters. So the water heater can actually get a tax credit also. And these are not only for the equipment, but it's for the installation. So it's for the whole job. You get 30% back on the tax credit when you install a high efficiency water heater or a high efficiency heat pump.